All right, guys, it is time for a Leaf 2021 autograph full-size helmet. So we finished up on our Gold Rush helmets last week. I ended up grabbing a case of Leaf helmets. So this is the first of that 4-box case, and some huge names that you can find in this series. So let's see if we can score a big one here. Carson, you've got the Saints and the Eagles. Christian's got the Bears, the Giants, and the Steelers. David B. with the Broncos. Eugene's got the Cowboys, Jets, and Seahawks. George with the Falcons, Bengals, Colts, Raiders, Vikings, Patriots, 49ers, Bucks, Titans, and then you've also got Tiger Woods. Jeff H. with the Bills, the Packers, the Chiefs, and the Dolphins. John B. with the Panthers. Kevin S. with the Lions. Mike W. with the Browns. Ryan S. has got the Texans, Jags, Chargers, Rams, and Ravens. And then Scott, you've got the Commanders. Joe, what's going on, dude? Sounds good, man. Appreciate it. Should just give us 3 spots left. All right. So shrink wrap, and then there's the tape on that one. It's actually starting to. Looks like it's starting to peel off here. Pulled up. So it's starting to pop up, looks like. Alright, so the only thing I hate about Leaf is that they show the name before you even see the jersey. Let's see if I can keep that from happening. Do it this way. It's more trouble than it's worth. All right, here we go. All right, it's going to be a cowboy, and it's a nice one. It's going to be a flat white, and you can see that name right through there. It's going to be a Zeke Elliott. There you go, right there. So Dallas is going to be Eugene. Eugene hitting the helmet. Flat white, Beckett authenticated. It's a nice helmet there. As much as I hate the Cowboys, that's a nice helmet. All right, so we will get that in the mail tomorrow. Eugene, congratulations, man. Good start to this Leaf series. We'll get that in the mail tomorrow. So our next one of these guys is on eBay now, those team auctions. And then we'll break another one here next Monday night.